Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So yesterday I posted this question on my Instagram page and it seems a bit tricky. So let's discuss its solution now. So here is the code. First let's run the code and see the output. Then I will tell the reason behind it. Alright. So I run the code. So the output is 67 and then G. So the output is our option B. So the answer is option B and option B was correct. Now let's discuss the reason behind the output. To understand the output, let's break this printf statement. Alright. So our str, our first argument, this is nothing but a string. So this is equal to %d space %c. Alright. Now this 0 brackets array. So 0 brackets array is equal to array of 0. So these two are same. There is no difference between them. These two are same. So what is array 0? Array 0 is a character which is C. Now this third part. So here this is equivalent to 2 plus array plus 3, or we can say that array plus 5 or array 5 in simpler terms. These all are same. So what it means? It means that array plus 3, move 3 indexes ahead. After that plus 2 also. So in total array plus 5, which means array plus 5. So this is equivalent to this. And what is array 5? It is nothing but the character G. So it should be clear now that this 0R is C and this second part is character G. So if I add a statement like this, suppose printf, let's forget this str, let's directly place this, okay, and after that if these were the arguments. Alright, so now can you tell the output? So this %d is for this. So the 0th character is C. So whatever be the ASCII value of C will be printed, which is 67. So C is equal, capital C is equal to 67. Okay. And after that %c is for this. And what is this? It is G. So the output would be 67 space G. Let's check this. So yes, 67G, this first one is for the first statement, and after this is for the second statement. So from this we can conclude that this statement and this statement, they are same. Why? Because the first argument, which is str, is placed as it is without any modification. Okay, this will be placed as it is, but it has to be a string. Okay, let me clear you more. Let's place a word before here. So this str will be placed as it is here. So imagine before here. So first what would be printed? Before. After that %d for this, which is 67, and %c for this, which is G. So let's check the output. So the output is before and then space, then 67 because of this %c which resembles to C, after that space because of this space, and G because of this %c which is pointing to this G. So the takeaway, the important point is that the first argument, this here str, its value will be placed as it is without any modification, So this will be equivalent to this percent d percent c, and because of this percent d and percent c and these two arguments here, we will get the equivalent c. These represent to the first c, it will give 67 and this will give g. So our final output is, let's change it to the original question. So our final output is equal to 67 space g. 67 because of the ASCII value of c, and g because this character g at here. So this was the logic. If it is clear to you, you can tell me in the comments, and if not, you can raise your doubts. I will try to clear them. So if you had liked the video, please like and share it, and subscribe to the channel to never miss out any video. So this was all for this video. We will see another question in the next videos. So bye for now.